would tell you, I absolutely loved the film. I thought it was amazing.
It's just an awesome film, and I can't wait to download it and put it in my library.
I actually love the documentary. I thought it had rich history.
And just to see all the work, like they said, the people that came before us.
It gives you a sense of identity. It makes you feel empowered. It's awesome.
Amazing. This was an amazing evening. I had seen some of the clips from the film, but never the whole thing. I think this should be a requirement for every freshman coming into A&T.
I thought it was an excellent presentation, and I learned a lot. I saw people that I knew that were in school with me, which is back through '68.
I absolutely enjoyed every moment of it, the history, the beauty, the backstories, like with Sister Sandra Hughes. Absolutely wonderful. Aggie Pride forever.
It was real inspirational, made me feel like I could go out there and do the same thing. And it was real helpful as far as me going there next year, or this year. I know that I'm gonna be successful.
My kids were with me, and they were like, we want to go to A&T too, because the history is so rich. You don't realize how much history is involved.
I leave here prouder than I was when I came in, if that's possible.
I remember being accepted at MIT, and I made the choice to come to North Carolina A&T for engineering back in the 80s.
I loved it, and again, I'm not an Aggie, I'm a double eagle, but I still have Aggie pride and much love for all HBCUs.
So it was just enlightening, it just fed my soul.
I am so proud to carry the legacy forward. Aggie Pride, and as we say, Aggie born, Aggie bred, and when I die, I'll be Aggie dead.
And my daughter just graduated.